Bob from Modern, and just wanted to share a little bit about our turbo program specific with our turbine housings. As we do upgrades, obviously the stock housings can't support the larger wheels without a little bit of machining, and therefore we have a fixture that we custom made, and it allows us to bolt in a Evo, in this case an Evo 8 or Evo 9 housing, and be machined for a larger turbine wheel. Essentially what we end up doing is we'll take stock, this one happens to be a new casting, take a new casting, and we've got an off-center fixture where we'll machine, and we'll work on our profile, widen it out so we can fit it in there, and make sure that we have the proper clearances. With that, we'll start machining.